It's important to keep the oil change in your generator to make sure the grime and all that doesn't build up and cause excess wear on the engine. For this one here, my drain pan's too small, so we're going to have to put it up on some blocks, and then I'll show you how to drain it and change it. Okay, so we've got it up on the blocks and we've got the drain pan underneath. How this one works, this is the dipstick where you're going to be filling it up, and here is the drain plug right beside it there. So first, let's take a paper towel and just wipe the dirt off from around the openings. We don't want any extra dirt getting in the engine. And then we'll remove the drain plug. This one here takes a 12mm socket. Let's get it break free there. Let it drain. It's a little cold, so that's why it's running slow. Once the oil has finished draining, we'll put the plug back in, tighten it down. Now, not too tight, say we are doing aluminum, which can strip out. And then we'll get another paper towel here, clean off any drips. And then we're going to put the new oil right there where the dipstick went. And on this, you'll just want to check your manual to know what viscosity of oil. This one here takes 5W30. If you don't know, you can look up the manufacturer's website. You'll just need to know your model and serial number, and usually you can look up the manual there if you don't have a paper copy. We'll just take our 5W30 here, get a funnel so we don't make a mess. And this one here takes about 1 quart, so we'll just fill her back up with the fresh oil. Once you get close, let's check it with the dipstick so we don't overfill the oil. Here. All right, it is just right at the hash mark, so it needs to go a little more. Okay, now let's check it again. All right, we're at the top of the hash marks. We're good to go. Screw it back in. And changing the oil is that easy. Now that we've got the oil change, another good thing to do to make sure your generator is running smoothly is to check the air filter to make sure it's not clogged up. To know how to do that, you can simply click the video right there, or if you don't have time right now, click the subscribe button or our logo, and you can come back later and check it out.